front of me I've got HUAWEI Mate 20 Lite. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage display settings. In the beginning let's enter settings and go to display. Right here we've got all settings for our display. At the top of the list we can change brightness level or set it automatic. Then we can change color mode and temperature between normal and vivid, and default warm and cold. Next we can change sleep timeout between 15 seconds or never. Here we've got eye comfort mode and color temperature. Then we've got home screen style between standard and the drawer. We can change wallpaper, for lock screen, home screen or for both. Next, we can manage full screen display for apps, hide notch, change screen size, text size, screen resolution, or enable smart resolution, enable screensaver, and auto rotate screen. And that's all for our display settings. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.